So I am awake far later than I should be, given that I have an exam at 9:30 in the morning. Yeah, it's really quite late. It's got to the stage where it's quite bad, and yeah, just have to plow through it, have a coffee in the morning. As soon as I do the exam, hopefully it goes okay, come back and just sleep, and then cram for the next exam. I'm basically just absolutely exhausted. I just can't think about anything else. I am really not prepared for this exam, but it's the last one and then I am free. It's our last exam. Woo. We're on our way to Emporium.
We're free!
He's a bit too drunk, guys.
She's a bit too drunk.
I'm not!
That's what drunk person would say. 6:50
in the morning, and my mum is coming in about between 8 and 8:30, and I've not slept at all because I've still been packing my room. I'm probably about halfway there now, maybe just over halfway. And I think I need to go and have a nap because I'm really tired, and actually, you know what? I'm not actually that tired, but I feel like I will get tired pretty quickly. I think it will hit me quite fast. But yeah, this is what it's like at Oxford when you have just finished your exams and you have to leave by 10 AM the next day. Sad. Still have all of this to clear. I am in Wagamama, and yeah, as I said before, I have not slept much at all. I didn't really sleep much apart from a 40-minute nap earlier because I had to really rush and pack my room up. And luckily, Mum and I managed to get it done, and we left my room at 9:30 to make the Wagamama meeting at 9:45. But I just got here, and I'll try and find the clips of when I was in Wagamama before, and also when it was the old Wagamama before it got closed. And you can see how different it is now, and I much prefer it now. I think it's just so much cooler. The interior design is really nice. It's a lot more spacious, and there's like a nice where the bar is really nicely placed. There's a wood work, and I really like the wood. There's a lot of wooden tables instead, and the whole layout is just so much nicer. These are the clips of before and now to prepare, but it reopens on Monday, so it is the Monday of the Oxford, the first Monday of our holiday. So we're supposed to be on Easter holiday, but if you're listening to Oxford now because you're a finalist or a third year, or you just happen to still be in Oxford, then yeah, make a trip to Wagamama if you haven't already. I know a lot of my friends, a lot of people I know love going to Wagamama, but they just didn't know that it was closing in Oxford. But it's reopening on Monday, so yeah, head on down if you like Wagamama, because I know I definitely do. If you've watched any of my vlogs before, you know that I go quite often. Yeah, it's been really, really lovely. Got to go into the kitchen, speak to the head chef, and find out how they made the yakisoba. And just really enjoyed my time this morning, even though I'm absolutely exhausted.
Mind is made up and I wanna go, and I've been thinking about what to do. Been thinking about being you for a long time. I try to find reason to stay here in this.
I'm with Carl.
Hi, my name's Cole, development chef for Wagamama. So today we're in the reopening of Wagamama in Oxford. It's fantastic, we open up on Monday. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a lovely yakisoba. It's our lovely wok section here. So here we're going to cook all our lovely wok dishes on here. Here we have all the fantastic lovely ingredients coming in. The next section we have here is our lovely ramen section, and we build all our dishes with all those fantastic flavours. The dish we're going to cook here at our lovely Wagamama Oxford is the yakisoba. So I'm just going to go through some of the fantastic ingredients we've got on here, and as you can see, it's a lovely plate full of food. So we've got our lovely noodles here. So these are our soba noodles. So that's the wheat and the egg and the water noodles are going there. We've got lovely green peppers, freshly cut this morning. We've got white onion, we've got spring onions, lovely red peppers, freshly cooked prawns, chicken, so we call that our yaki chicken, so again there's lots of flavour in there, bean sprouts.
This cage of mine, well I don't need no borderline, I don't need that frame of mind. Let me tell you, I don't need nobody